Good morning. Hey guys. I don't know what day this is going to be for the Vlogmas post. Hold on, I gotta change batteries. Hold on. Hey girls, so I'm not sure if this video or this clip is going to make it into Vlogmas. I'm trying to do this, y'all, but it is so hard to do Vlogmas. Like, oh my god, look at all this stuff in my background. Look at all this stuff. So yeah, girl, I don't know if this clip is gonna make it, but we're gonna try. So have finally decided to get Ari into daycare. It's been a long time coming. She's never been in daycare. She's 3. She will start pre-K at the age of 4, of course. So I definitely want to get her around more kids. She doesn't have any social problems. She does good around kids. She is talking. So it's just more so, I think, now to get her in that classroom setting, get her to listen to other adults, and you know, just learn the basic skills that kids need to have. So I am getting her ready today to go tour a facility with me. I got her ready as if it is a school day, just because they did say it's a good idea just to bring her and see what her vibe is like and her energy is like once she gets there. So I went on ahead and got her dressed this morning. I got her a book bag, and we are going to go to school. So I think this may be exciting for me too, just to get out the house and kind of find myself again. Hey Ari, did you eat your breakfast? Are you ready for school? Are you ready for school? You gotta still eat your breakfast. What do you have on your plate? What? Oh wow, that's neat. It's a trapezoid. For breakfast, she just has mini waffles and a piece of bacon. All right, let's eat, because you have to get ready for school. As far as her book bag goes, we got a Peppa Pig book bag. She loved Peppa Pig a couple of weeks ago, but now she ain't fucking with Peppa Pig. So I don't know what her and Peppa Pig beef is, but she ain't fucking with us. But hopefully she'll be okay with the book bag today. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get her to eat real quick because our appointment is coming up and it's the last day to go vote. So I definitely want to make sure we go vote today, and she also just experienced that and be with me. I also got to ship off some packages today, so let me go ahead and get that ready. Hold on, y'all. My office look a mess. Okay, you got your socks? Let's see. Oh no, this is from gymnastics. It'll be okay. Yeah. Yeah, gymnastics messed up your socks. We gotta get you some throwaway socks. I'll fix it. Alright, come on, we gotta go. We gotta get your book bag. Let's turn the TV off. Fire. Alright. Jacket. Other way.
Where's your nose?
No, we finna go. We'll watch it when we get back, okay?
Hey, so, hey, check this out, homeboy.
Push.
No, whoa.
Check this out.
Stop.
Hey.
Stop.
You not going to school?
No.
Why you not going to school? What's all that stuff you got in your book bag, Ari?
My passy.
No, you don't need your passy.
Passy.
That a big girl.
Passy. Pepsi. We have Pepsi.
You big girl. Alright. Come here, baby. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. You got your book bag? All right. Put your coat on. Keep on. All right, you gotta get your book bag. All right.
You got it, baby. Okay, baby. Okay. You want your backpack?
Hey y'all, so we're back from daycare, or we're back from school. Everything went really well. I'm still nervous, of course. Hold on. Yeah, I'm still nervous, of course, but I do feel better that I took, you know, the first step or whatever to go ahead and start the process. Yay. I don't know if she's gonna like it. She likes seeing the kids and like all the stuff that they had out, like doing the activities or whatever, but I don't know if she's gonna really like fuck with it, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, but yeah, girl. So I wasn't able to finish packing the orders for the last little bit of Black Friday orders, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. But I'm gonna get ready to eat. We discovered this real good Mexican restaurant. I'm gonna show y'all what I ordered. Hold on. I'm on a new tripod too. I think I like this tripod. Hold on. I gotta decorate my kitchen too, so I'll do that. I gotta decorate my kitchen. I'll show you guys in the video how I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I don't know what that is. This is Travis steak tacos. This is Ari's, which is just a quesadilla. And it's supposed to be a burrito, but it looks like an enchilada to me. This is so good. I should have got extra toppings. Pineapples, shrimp, avocado with lettuce and rice. It looks really good. It's delicious, actually. You want to just get out of here.
Do you need your necklace? Yep.
No, baby, give it to me, okay? You ready? All right, we got A. Go. A, B, C, D, E, F. Good job. Colors, yes. All right, hold on. Okay, where's blue? Where's purple? Yes, the crayons. Okay, where is green? Red. Green. Yellow. Orange. Pink. Purple. Brown. Black. Gray. Yep. White. Okay, can you do, okay, that's January. Good job. February. Oh my God. March. Basket, yes, that's April. Okay. Crab, yes. July. Pumpkin, October. Turkey. I did not know you knew that. What's that? Tree? Yes. Where's the watermelon? Yeah.
So y'all want anything to eat for my Mexican compadres?
No, I want some juicy crab though.
I'm not going to Atlanta, Shane.
It's right there beside where the old army used to be.
I don't know what that is, Shane.
Just look it up, Travis. Oval, yes.
Square.
Yes, the square. It's the rectangle, yes. Summer. Good job. It's the juice in the cup. Good job. Okay, where is winter? Snowman. Snowman. Good job. Oh, it's gone.